friends, Vanakkam. Today we are going to see the 8th sum from exercise number 7.1. The radius of a sphere increased by 25%. Find the percentage increase in its surface area. A sphere is there. Initially its radius is some r. Okay. Then the radius is increased. If radius is increased means what? Automatically the area also increased. So how much percentage that area, the surface area of sphere is increased in, they were asking. Let initial radius is equal to r. Okay, so initial radius will be the initial curved surface area or old curved surface area. So old curved surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Correct? So this radius is r. So this curved surface area is also 4 pi r square. Let the new radius is equal to r dash. So this new radius is what? 25% increase of old radius. Correct? So new radius r dash is equal to r plus 25% of r. So this r is our old radius plus 25% of r. Okay. R dash is equal to r plus 25% means 25 by 100 into r is equal to r plus 25 by 100 is equal to 0.25 r, which is equal to r dash is equal to, this is r, this is 0.25 r. R means 1 r plus 0.25 r is equal to 1.25 r. So this is our new radius. Now find new curved surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r dash square, which is equal to 4 into pi into r dash is equal to what? 1.25 r the whole square. So instead of r dash you should put 1.25 r. 4 pi 1.25 square is 1.5625 into r square. 1.25 2 times multiply பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 4 pi into 1.5625 r square is our new curved surface area. Percentage increase கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So how much it is increased na? So we need the change in curved surface area. Correct? Change in surface area is equal to, we know the area is increased. So new area minus old area will give you change in area. New area minus old area. What is our new curved surface area? 4 pi into 1.5625 r square minus old area is 4 pi r square. Now in both the terms 4 pi is common and r square is common. So take 4 pi r square outside. You will get 1.5625 minus 1. Okay. Here nothing will be there. That means 1 is remaining. So 4 pi r square into 0.5625. Okay. So this is the change in surface area. Now what is the percentage increase in surface area? Percentage increase in surface area is equal to change in area divided by old area into 100. First இருந்த ஏரியாக்கு இவ்வளவு இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா 100க்கு எவ்வளவு அப்படின்றத percentage. Understand? Change in area 4 pi r square into 0.5625 divided by initial area or old area is 4 pi r square into 100. So 4 pi r square will be cancelled. So percentage increase in surface area is equal to, see, if you multiply with 100, this point will come 2 digits after right side. Okay, so 56.25%. For 25% increase of radius, 56.25% increase of surface area. Okay, understand? Exercise 7.1, ninth sum. The internal and external diameters of a hollow hemispherical vessel are 20 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. Find the cost to paint the vessel all over at 0.14 rupees per centimeter square. Read the problem carefully. Internal and external dia of hemispherical vessel is given. So internal dia is small d, which is equal to 20 centimeter, and external dia is capital D, which is equal to 28 centimeter. Right? We should find the radius. So radius small r is equal to what? Diameter divided by 2. Like that, capital R is equal to outside diameter divided by, or external diameter divided by 2. So small r is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 centimeter, and capital R is equal to 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14 centimeter. To paint the vessel all over. All over means what? This outside, inside, and this ring. That's all the solid parts in a hollow hemispherical vessel. We already derived. So for this term, for this all over term, you should consider total surface area. Correct? Total surface area of hollow hemisphere is equal to pi into 3 into capital R square plus small r square. Right? Substitute all the values and find total surface area. 22 by 7 into 3 into capital R square is equal to 14 square plus small r square is equal to 10 square. Now 22 by 7 into 3 into 14 square. 3 into 14 square is 196 plus 100 is 10 square is 100. Now 22 by 7 into 3 into 196. 3 into 196 will give you 588. 588 plus 100 is equal to 22 by 7 into 688. 15,136. Divided by 7. Now, when you are dividing 15,136 with 7, you will got 2,162.28 centimeter square. See what they are asking? Cost of paint the vessel all over at 0.14 rupees per centimeter square. Total surface area is 2,162.28 centimeter square. For 1 centimeter square, the cost is 0.14 rupees. Okay. So for 2,162.28 centimeter square, how much cost is required? That is what we are going to find. So cost of paint for 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.14 rupees. Therefore, cost of paint for 2,162.28 centimeter square is equal to what? 2,162.28 into 0.14. Remove the points and write down the number of digits after point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits you have after point. Okay. Now write everything together and multiply. Answer is 3027,192. How many digits after point? 4 digits. So keep the point before 4 digits from ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is rupees 302 point. இங்க இதுக்கு அப்புறமா 4 digits தேவை கிடையாது. 7, this one you can write as 2 because here 9 இருக்கு. So if it is more than 5 na you can add one more number here. So the answer is rupees 302.72 to paint all over the vessel. Okay. Exercise 7.1 10th sum. This is the last sum in this exercise. The frustum shaped outer portion of the table lamp has to be painted including top part. Find the total cost of painting the top lamp if the cost of painting is 1 square centimeter is rupees 2. Light lamp is drawn here. It is given in question itself. Bottom radius is 12 centimeter, top radius is 6 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter. Okay, what they are given in question, this table lamp have to be painted at the curved surface area, that is outer portion. Outer portion is a curved surface area including the top portion. So you need to found curved surface area as well as top area to calculate the area for painting. Okay, if you know the area for painting now, you can calculate the cost of painting. Okay, write the formula for curved surface area of frustum. Curved surface area of frustum is pi capital R plus small r into L. See, you need L here, but we don't have L. So to find the L is equal to square root of h square plus capital R minus small r the whole square. Right? Substitute the values. Square root of 8 square plus capital R is 12 minus 6 the whole square, which gives you square root of 64 plus 12 minus 6 square is 36 is equal to square root of 100. So L is equal to 10. Now we have the value L, capital R, small r. So we can found curved surface area, which is equal to 22 by 7 into capital R is 12 plus small r is 6 into L is 10. If you multiply everything, 22 by 7 into 18 into 10. 22 into 18 is 396 into 10 is 3960 divided by 7. So 565.71 centimeters square is our curved surface area. Then we need to find the top area because in question they were mentioned including the top part we need to paint. So top area is equal to, top area is a, for a frustum top area is a circle which have the radius is 6 centimeters. So pi small r square is equal to 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. 792 divided by 7 is equal to 113.14 centimeter square. Now total area to be painted is equal to curved surface area plus top area. What is our curved surface area? 565.71 plus 113.14, which is equal to 565.71 plus 113.14 will give you 678.85 centimeters square. So this much area we have to paint. Okay, well, for 1 square centimeter or 1 centimeter square, rupees 2 is required. For 678.85 centimeters square, how much amount will be required? 678.85 into 2. Cost of painting for 1 centimeter square is equal to rupees 2. Therefore, cost of painting for 678.85 centimeter square is equal to 678.85 into 2. So the answer will be 1357.70. Cost of painting the lamp is equal to rupees 1357.70. Hope you understand. Thank you.